Hi guys, in this video we will look into how you can integrate promo codes in your Stripe custom checkout. So in the previous video I discussed about how you can integrate Stripe customer portals for your user in your application. This will reduce chargebacks and all those things where they can update their payments etc. as I shown here. So do check out that video. So now let's get into the contents about this particular video. So what are the prerequisites? So you need to have a Stripe account as well as you need to create a particular product and then have a price ID associated with that product. So in order to do that, go to your product catalog and then click on add product and create a product here. Now whatever the amount you give here, once the product is created, a price ID is also created along with that. So I'm going into this particular product, clicking on this price ID. If I go here, you can see the price ID is there. So you need this ID as well. And the second one you need is the customer ID. So as I said in the previous video, when you create an account for a particular user, like even though if it's free or paid, you have to create a customer account along with that particular a login or the sign up flow. Once you get that customer ID, you can go and go to your you can store it in your database, or for this test purpose, you can go to the dashboard and then I can get it from here. So I got the customer ID as well as the price ID. Now I'm going to the front end implementation, and the next after the front end, I will explain the back end implementation. So the front end, as you know, is made with Next.js and the back end is made with Express.js. So let's get into this. So I'm going to go to demo web and then I'm going to click on this. So now if I scroll down, you can see I have a lot of functions. So I'm going to explain it one by one. So if I click on this demo, and you can also access it via demos.gautham.com so that you can visually it yourself, right? So if I go here, you can see checkout with promotion code implementation, right? And then now I have two buttons: checkout without promo code, checkout with promo code. So what are these? So if I go here, you can see checkout with promo code is there, without promo code is there. So if I tap on this, so I'm calling a particular function which calls my backend, right? And then in that backend, I have set up that if this particular API is called, I would get the URL for the checkout session, where I would get a URL where that particular checkout wouldn't have the promotion code, right? So and then I have another function where it would provide the promotion code. So how does the promotion code be visible inside your application, right? So this is a bonus for this particular video. So go to your Stripe dashboard, click on payment links, and then tap on new, right? So remember, click on this one and then you should have click on products or subscription. Select your product and then scroll down. You can see this particular checkout link doesn't have a promo code input field here. Click on advanced option, click on allow promotion codes, and then that particular promotion code will be available in that particular checkout screen if you create this link. So we are going to use the exact logic here. So this is manual work. If you have thousands and thousands of users, this is impossible to do. That's why you should go with the developer flow or whatever flow that I am saying with the help of API. So this particular front end is set up and all the routes are set up. Now I'm going to go to the backend. So this is the backend, right? So as you know, in the previous video, I set up all the Stripe API keys, and then the customer portal thing is here. And then this is the way I create a customer and then send that particular ID so that can be stored in my database, etc. Right. Now you can see these are the two APIs that you need to work out with. So in the mode, this is a subscription, not a payment. If it's a payment, a one-time payment, that is, you will supply it as mode is to payment. If it's subscription, it is some mode is to subscription. So here if you see, this is create checkout with coupon subscription. That means in the this particular code, you would have what allow promotion codes is to true. And then this one, it's without the promo code, where I would write it as allow promotion codes is false. By default, remember, by default, the promotion codes are always false. That's why I made this video. So you have to update to the latest Stripe version in your Express or your Node.js application or backend. And then you have to supply this allow promotion codes is to true to that one, and then send that URL back to the front end like this. You can capture it like this. So Stripe checkout, so that is the same thing here. So this is an Express application, right? So I host it to Google Cloud, like Google Cloud Function. This is just a demo app, so there is no need to do it in VPS, etc. Right? So this suffices for here. Now, once the user taps on that button, the backend API will be called and the URL will be sent to the user. And once that URL is sent, they will be pushed back to the what I would say the particular URL, right? So let's take I tap on checkout without promo code. If I do that, you can see generating that Sonar toast is there. It's an awesome library you should use. You can see no thing is here, right? Like the allow promotion code is not there. Now, if I go back, if you click on checkout with promo code, what would happen is it would have the promo code here. And now comes the important part: how to create promotion codes for your products, and what are the different types of ways you can do that. Now go to your Stripe dashboard, go and search coupons, product catalog coupons. Click on this. Right. Once you click on this, in the coupon section, click on create new test coupon. I'm going to use it as demo, and then you can enter as fixed amount or percentage. You can not up to you. I'm going to write 20%. Duration is forever. Once you can also apply to specific products, etc. All the customization you want. You can also do this in API way, but in my applications that I worked with till now, and I have made sure that our clients should go to the dashboard and create the coupons. But mostly they would just do it 1 or 2 times. So we don't want to spend resources on just having a separate dashboard to create coupons where we can easily do it in Stripe itself. I'm going to go here, click on use customer. You can mainly what you have to do this, like use customer facing coupon. Now I'm going to use this one, Gautham 20, right? So I will do that. You can enter all these things, right? You can also limit it to specific user. I'm not going to do that. Click on create coupon. Once that is done, so that would reflect here, right? So just it's not immediately reflecting. So I'll reload. Okay, see, reflecting. So I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to add a random one. So this is right. Apply. It will not work. Now if I go back here and then if I tap on that particular coupon code, the thing is you have to go here, promotion code. You can see this one. Now if you want to add more promotion codes, right? So I'm going to add 25, like anything, like you can write any values. I'll do this. You can see you should not copy this, right? You should copy this one. So I'm going to copy this. So let's go here and then you can see copy button is there. You can send it to your customers, etc. in this way. Go here, paste it, click on apply. You can see 30% is applied there. And then once the user does that, they will just pay $120 or 120 rupees per month. So that is in this way, you can now have a front end with Next.js where you create buttons where they can go and pay for your product. And then you can also enable what I would say. You can also make backends with Express.js or your Ruby or Go or any other languages. You can also just use their what I would say the curl API where you can use fetch and just simply directly call their API as well. But Stripe's Node JS and Express SDK is extremely good. Yeah, you can use it anytime, and then it works flawlessly for the application that I worked on. So and then you should attach allow promotions code here. Once that is there, go to coupons or its best way, right? So you can click on coupons, and then I think there's an option where you can pin it, right? So I think in the payments, I think billing. Okay, so okay, yeah, no problem. So you can go to coupons and then this one, and create the coupon, send it to your users, and then they can use it to avail discounts. This can be useful for what Christmas purchases or New Year purchases or Black Friday purchases, which is coming in next 2 to 3 months, right? So you can use the exact concept said in this particular video, and then you can employ it in both your front and back end. And I've also explained how you can do this in your Stripe dashboard as well. If you want more help, you can let me know in the comments, or you can directly contact me in Twitter. You can find the source code in the Medium link that I have given in the description. So do like and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks.